In this video, I will show you how to transform non-stationary time series to make it stationary. And let's start with the example of a stochastic non-stationarity. So if we have a random walk without drift, what we do is we just take yt minus 1 and we move it to the left. Therefore, when we do this, we get the following expression. So delta yt is just equal to the error term. And in this case, delta yt is a stationary process. If we have random walk with drift, we actually do the same thing. We move yt minus 1 to the left. So we get yt minus 1, which is denoted as delta yt. And we can see that delta yt is equal to beta 1 plus the error term. In this case, in both cases, in case of random walk without drift and with drift, we say that yt is a different stationary process because yt becomes stationary in first differences. So by moving yt minus 1, we get an expression for yt in first differences, and we say that yt is a different stationary process because this variable becomes stationary in first differences. When it comes to deterministic non-stationarity, what we need to do is the following. So we take the expression we've got and we detrend it. And detrending means subtracting beta 1 plus beta 2t from yt. So in a sense, we take beta 1 plus beta 2t and we move it to the left. The same here, beta 1 plus beta 2t is moved to the left. And in this case, yt is said to be a trend-stationary process because it becomes stationary around the deterministic trend. So when we subtract the trend from the variable, we get a trend-stationary process, and we say that the variable is stationary around the deterministic trend. In case we have random walk with drift and deterministic trend, we need to do two things. We need to move yt minus 1 to the left, and we need to move beta 1 plus beta 2t also to the left. So if we do it step by step, and for example start with yt minus 1, we get delta yt, which is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 ut, and we say that this is different stationary process. However, it still has this deterministic non-stationarity. So in the second step, we will take beta 1 plus beta 2t and move it to the left, subtract it from delta yt. And what we do is we detrend delta yt by subtracting beta 1 plus beta 2t. And in this case, we will get a stationary process.